Greetings from Burbank. Welcome to our new bungalow. It is teeny tiny and so cute. The kitchen was completely remodeled, except it didn't come with a refrigerator. Which, you know, if I had to be buying a new refrigerator, I might as well get one that I always wanted, right? Right. Say hello to my little friend, SMEG. Oh yeah, and I did color coordinate the nail polish. Thank you so much for noticing. This is Susie Nails by OPI. So if you want to know what a pink SMEG looks like, it kind of looks like Susie Nails by OPI. It's just a little bit lighter. This is a little bit darker. So I'm just going to show you really quickly how the SMEG works and how I determined all the little plastic pieces go. There are two pieces that don't fit, and I'll show those to you. You cannot open the SMEG using the handle. You have to open it like that. It's heavy. This door weighs a ton, and of course I loaded it up. These are all the parts that came. All these shelves, a couple little plastic bins, and this bin right here. All of these pieces were included, all of these pieces, they were all just wrapped in plastic and shoved inside the fridge. So there's two sets of everything. The egg insert goes inside the plastic container. These plastic containers have no inserts. These plastic containers come with the metal bar, and then this metal bar goes on the long shelves. I love the beverage rack. You can fit 5 bottles on it. It's perfect for me. There are covers that are supposed to cover these top containers. There is no way to get them in. There are little grooves that they fit into. There, you see this? It's on both sides. And that is supposed to go into these little divots. And then you're supposed to be able to lift it. I'm supposed to be able to rotate like that. I cannot get these in. I have done everything I can. I cannot get those in. So to me, these are useless. You're not supposed to put food in it for at least 24 hours. So keep that in mind when you get your new SMEG delivered. Let it sit for at least 2 hours and then plug it in, and then you can add food a day later. One of the most important things to know about the SMEG that I read about in the limited instructions that did come with the unit, it said that the temperature should be set between 2 and 3. So once I turned on the unit, I set it kind of halfway between 2 and 3, and I felt that was a little bit too cold. So I put it back down to 2. The higher the number goes, the colder the unit will be. I chose this model because we don't eat a lot of frozen food. We really just need ice cubes and the occasional popsicle. So there's the freezer. Popsicles and ice cubes, done. If you wanted a refrigerator with a freezer drawer that pulls out at the bottom, that's another $1,000. I didn't need it that badly. Now listen to my door. It seals really well. When I read all of the reviews on this, one of the biggest complaints that reviewers had was that this door squeaks. Guess what? As soon as I added food and beverages to that door, it was going every time I would open it. Louder than what I just did. It was so loud and so obnoxious. So let me show you how I fixed it. WD-40. WD-40 is your friend. All I had to do was spray it on the bottom hinge. That's all the way down at the bottom. That's where the squeak was coming from, because that's what's carrying all the weight of this heavy door and all the beverages and food that I put inside that door. And I just did one spray of WD-40 on that hinge. Now it doesn't make a single squeak. You can't, oh, I did it. Pulling with all my weight to open it by the handle. And then I wanted you to see the clearance. That's where it's hitting the wall. So you have to have a lot of clearance on the side. I've got about 6 inches, maybe 5.5 to 6 inches on either side. Let's see if I can do it again. Okay. And that's where the door is fully open. So If you're in the market for a SMEG, make sure you've got clearance to open the door all the way. There is assembly required, so just know that you have to have clearance to open this door in order to get the shelves all the way in. Hold on, let's backtrack. I forgot to tell you, I ordered this from Amazon.com. Amazon.com, free shipping, and payment plan over 18 months, because these suckers are a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie. But I think it was worth it. It's adorable. It looks super cute in my tiny, tiny kitchen. You can't have like a monstrous refrigerator in an itty bitty kitchen. It kind of looks ridiculous. So I had to go small, had to go pink, you know, there was no other option other than pink. And this also came from Amazon.com. And I will put all of the details in the comments down below the video. I love my SMEG. It's so cute. It makes me very happy. As always, thanks for joining me. Look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye.